Hello everyone, welcome to Basic Electronics Virtual Laboratory. In today's session, we will discuss the practical RC differentiator and integrator. So click on RC differentiator and integrator, and in this we will see the practical RC integrator. So in RC integrator circuit, the circuit consists of one resistance and one capacitor. We have to apply some input and then we will observe the output across the capacitor with the help of oscilloscope. On the left hand side there is a list of instructions which we have to follow for the simulation of this circuit. So first we will set the value of resistance and capacitance. Then we will click on the on button to start the experiment. Then click on square wave, that is our input waveform. Click on oscilloscope to get the output waveform. Then we change the value of amplitude, frequency, volt per division with the help of controller. Channel 1 is for input square waveform and channel 2 is for output waveform. So at high frequencies the capacitor was not allowed to have enough time to charge or discharge fully. So in this case we have the square wave as input signal, which generates a triangular waveform as output but with less amplitude. So the basic objective of this practical is to integrate the input waveform with the help of R and C. So we will vary or change the frequency of our input waveform, that is square wave in this case. So by changing the frequency of the input signal, we will observe the change in amplitude of the output waveform. So let's start. First we will set the value of resistance and capacitor. Then we have to click on the on button. Now we have to apply square wave and then click on the oscilloscope. Channel 1 is for input waveform, channel 2 is for output waveform, and by clicking on 12 we can see both input and output on the same screen. There are two controllers for channel 1 and channel 2. So this is voltage per division. We can change the value by shifting these tabs. We can change the time per division with the help of this slide bar. So as the objective is to change the frequency of the input signal, so for this we can change the value of frequency of the input signal with the help of this tab. And when we increase the frequency, the amplitude of the triangular wave is continuously decreasing. By decreasing the value of frequency, the amplitude of the output waveform is increasing. So the basic idea or basic principle behind this is that the charging and discharging of the capacitor. So you can understand it from point number 8 that at high frequency the capacitor was not allowed to have enough time to charge or discharge fully. So this is all about the implementation of integrator. We are basically integrating the square waveform, and we all know that the integral of the square is basically a ramp. So this is a triangular wave at the output, and with the help of resistor and capacitor we are implementing this integrator. Thank you.